Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Retirement Trades. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. And if you're one of the loyal followers and subscribers, I appreciate you guys quite a bit. So if you want to join the Discord, there'll be a link below. We have some chats going on. We talk about some different trades, and it's a small community yet, but we're working on growing that and developing a way to help each other out. So don't want to waste any time. Let's look at the market, see what's going on. Hey, look at this. We finally have a green candle. I mean, this is, I don't have to tell you guys. You know what like this week has been. So Friday looks like we're getting a little bit of a bounce off the lows. I have managed to get a couple of good 0DTE SPX trades in this morning. That was nice. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about this small account that we are getting demolished on. Not just us, it's just the way the market is right now. Selling premiums. Yeah, we're just in for a rough haul for a while. But let's take a look at the positions. Okay, so we are having finally a good green day, and let's see, AMD, so upside down. You guys can beat me up in the comments all you want about this. Bad choice to put that in this account. Wasn't thinking it through, so that will never happen again here, but we have to get through it before we can get on with normal small trades. Let's see, but what can we do today? We have this is 48 days out already, but look at that. We've already collected 80% of the premium. So the call we're covering is way out in September. So we can, in fact, roll that out a little bit. Let's see if we can't get a little more premium on that April 17th call. So let's see. Roll expirations. Why is it not offering me amounts there? Try it again. There we go. Okay, so we roll that out. The next one available is the following month. It goes out to 77 days, but we can get $1.17 on that. Let's see what the actual spread is on that. So, 117 is the mid-price credit, and you know what? Let's do. I have thought about it. I mean, because AMD is down so low right now. We're down around 100. I know they can come back pretty quick at any time with just a decent week in the market, but I hesitated. I've thought about maybe rolling the calls down a little bit, but I don't think I want to do that. I think that might be a dangerous game. I think we'll just extend this out a little bit farther. Let's do that. 117 premium collected and review and send, and let's see if that gets filled. All right, anything else we can do today here with the positions we have to manage? Carnival. Okay, Carnival's, let's look at the chart on that because Carnival's having a little bit of an up day. That's exciting for us, 2369. Let's see, March 7th. So that is next Friday's expiration. Oh, we got filled on AMD. So let's quickly take a peek and get that into the chart while it's fresh in the brain. And we're already on AMD. Okay, so that was the April. Let's see. It's the April call we had. So we're going to roll that today. Look at the prices we got there. Okay, so we bought that back at negative 0.69. So we made $274 on that trade. And then today we are selling another call because we just rolled that up, and we are talking about going out until, let's see, May 16th. We're getting way out there now. May 16th. And again, that's a 125 call, one contract. And what did we get paid for that in total? $1.86. And the difference between the $1.86 and the 69 is going to be the $1.17 credit we collected. Set this to open. Oops, what we got going on there? That's supposed to be open, isn't it? Okay. All right, so let's take a peek over here. I want to show you guys a little something here. For all the positions we have closed on AMD and the premium we have collected already, we are up $284. Now that pales in comparison, considering how badly we're getting killed on that poor man's covered call and that accidental put I sold when I screwed up the poor man's covered call on day one. But let's take a peek here. So we have 4 open positions. We have the original covered call we sold. We paid $2,824 for that. And let's see, we have that put that we rolled a number of times, and we have basically collected $1,365 in total on that, less the, let's just quickly look at that. It's going to be this, and this. So we're down $1,500 on that put alone. But all we got to do is get AMD up above the 115 price, and we'll be fine. And then let's see. Then we have these okay, so we're up 284. Other than these 2 giant mistakes, we still have another $200-ish down here in collected premium, and hopefully we can work these 2 out by September. And that's still a long ways away. That's 7 months away. So I'm not overly concerned about that, but I just wanted to show you guys over here that overall with the rolling of premiums and moving premiums, we're kind of in the green down there. So that's a positive sign anyways. If we can just get to September or just before September, when we can get above 115, life will be pretty darn good. So actually above 120 for that put. Have we looked at maybe rolling that down? Let's take a peek here. While AMD is down in price, let's see what we can do here. Roll that down from 120 to 115 would cost $4. Let's see how far out in the future we'd have to go to get that to work. $3, 227. August still cost us $1.25. We went all the way out to September. We could get that down to 53 cents, 50 cents. Okay. You know what? I'm going to keep that in the back of my brain and not worry about it right now. But if we can ever get to a point where we can roll this forward and down for a credit and stay within that September guideline, that would be beneficial. Other than that, I don't need to keep these. September isn't all that important, to be honest with you. These 2 here are kind of acting like a strangle. I get those confused sometimes without looking at the chart, but basically, yeah, if we can get to a point where we're between 120 and 125, actually that's reversed right now, yeah. So if we can get in between there, we'll be all right. Or actually, we would need to get this down to, ugh, I got to build that in a chart and take a look at it. Working with the different expiration dates, it gets complicated. But if I keep these 2 the same and I can flip-flop these prices, basically roll this one, roll the puts down below the call, farther below the call. Yeah, because right now, if we can get between 120 and 125, we can win both of these. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for somewhere in the next 6-7 months. But anyways, okay, let's take a look at the Carnival and see what's going on there. We know they're having a green day. What do we got that call for? 25. We're still $1.30 in the money on that one. 7 days to act, but we will not let that go probably too far. Mara, we got assigned just because we were at least $5 out of the money there, or in the money, excuse me. I think we were maybe even like $6.50 in the money when that was assigned early. Pay attention, guys, because you can get assigned earlier. If you missed that video, go back a few and watch it, because we got assigned multiple days before the expiration and caught me off guard. Okay, so stocks. Where are we looking at on stocks here? 26 strike price, 22.50. So we're well in the money on that one. That's 7 days out. Let's just look at a quick roll on that. 33 more cents. What did we collect on that to start with? 93. So we got another 33 cents on that. That puts us up around $1.25. And, let's see. I want to do that on a green day or not. I don't think it makes that big a difference really when you're rolling, because the prices move in sequence with each other. They both go higher or both go lower, being further out of the money or closer to the money. I'm going to have to research that, ask somebody smarter than myself. But 33 cents is not the end of the world. Might let that go a little bit. I don't think we're going to do any shopping today. One, it's a bit of a green day. And two, the way the market's behaving, I do not want to let this get any farther out of whack than it already is. So, yeah, I'm not sure here. Let's see. What about Mara? Can we consider rolling that one? Roll that out. 10 cents credit for adding a week. That doesn't sound super appealing. Bitcoin is taking a bath right now. I think it went down 79, 78 overnight, coming back today a little bit, and 84 the last time I looked. So that's going on a wild ride. I do think that is temporary. I was talking to a friend earlier today. We were looking at some Bitcoin pricing charts and discussing things, and what I foresee, and I'm not a psychic or anything, but I can kind of see Bitcoin fluctuating kind of around its current price right now, say the mid 80s. So I could see it going up probably 20,000 and down 20,000 or so. I'd say going up 20 to 30,000 and down 20 to $30,000 and fluctuating in a channel like that for the next year or so, to be honest with you. That's just my perception, but you guys take it for what it's worth, exactly what you paid for it. But anyways, yeah, I think that was it. Today, I think we're just going to roll that AMD, push that out a month, collect a little more premium, and we'll have to see, is that the one we rolled? Yeah. May, or was it the March? No, it was the May. So anyways, yeah, that was a 120, not a 125. Let me go back and check that quick, because unless I messed that up. Nope, that was... Huh. I have it in here as the April was the 125 that we did just roll, or January, February, March. No, 69 cents. Yeah, I had that as a 125, but it's a 120. All right, 516. Too many positions in this one here. So, oh no, that's the put I'm looking at. Mark, pay attention sometimes. Okay, that is correct. That is the call we rolled. 125 strike out to May 16th. So look at that. We already made $3 on that today. That's fantastic. So, all right. I know this was a short one and a little bit of a boring one, but there's not a whole lot we get to do until we free up some more option power, buying power, and eventually get this AMD off the books. So, as always, thank you guys for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, all that. The YouTube algorithm loves those things. And if we want to build a community, I need your help. So comment below. They love that. I love to chat with you guys anyways. Join us in the Discord. And you guys have a great weekend. I will catch you next week.